The Mystery of Fairy Circles. The deserts of southwestern Africa are covered with strange rings of thick grass. The rings surround patches of empty sand and are called fairy circles because they look like the rings of mushrooms that grow in some forests. The circles usually show up on a narrow strip of the Namib Desert from Angola to South Africa and have puzzled scientists for decades. Now, one German biologist named Norbert Jürgens thinks he can explain the mystery of how they form. In a study published on March 28 in the journal Science, Professor Jürgens argues that fairy circles are caused by tiny insects called sand termites. He says that during his years of research, sand termites were the only living organisms that appeared at most of his research sites. He thinks that because they are normally present, sand termites must be responsible for creating the unusual circles. According to Professor Jürgens, sand termites create fairy circles in order to maintain a constant supply of water in the dry deserts. The termites first clear a circle of sand by eating the roots of the local grasses. The barren sand then becomes a rain trap, collecting water that the termites can use throughout the year. Jürgens says that the termites' method for storing water allows the desert ecosystem to survive for hundreds of years, even in times of drought. Other scientists have yet to be convinced by Jürgens' research. Yvette Node, a chemist at the University of Pretoria, South Africa, says that Jürgens fails to explain why new plants never grow back at the center of fairy circles. Jürgens says that the termites chew up the plant's roots and ruin the soil. But Node says that termites generally improve the soil, making it better for plants to grow. She says that something else must be altering the soil, and that termites might only live at the center of fairy circles, not create them.